All right, so good morning to all Sponsor Lotto channel followers. Another day is come. Today is midweek. I'm very sure 37 will drop today. 37 is my 1 to 90 banker. It will drop. 37 will drop. So that is my 1 to 90 banker. The game I'm going to show today are excellent moves. And now I want you to pay attention carefully and then draw your own conclusion. I like it when I show the plan to the best of your understanding. And you also appreciate. And if he doesn't play, you know that it's not the fault is not from me. So I'm going to take you to a very excellent move today again. Then you sit down and draw your own conclusions and let's see what happens in the evening. So it's two different plans. One, they are all midweek, direct midweek. So I try to, that it's winning becoming difficult. So what I do is to rather research and do some two different plans and then so that we combine it. Luckily for me today, 37 appears in both plans, and even the first plan, the 37 is 1 to the second plan I'll show 37 is 1 to 90. It will not fail, but the second plan 37 is showing as to show it 11. Let's go. So first of all, let me give you this event to pen. This event, you see, event 11 10. So this event 24 drop repeated against 70, and this is the event. So I want you to pen this event. So pen this event for me. So let's go. 75 drop here. It will split later into 41 34. If you come here, 81 drop here. It will split later into 47 34. So addition of this 81 is this. So the addition of this 75 is this. So counting is you meet 37. Here too you meet 79. Alright, you meet 79. Here you meet 37. So exact counting what do we do? Exact counting is you can't meet 11. A number will drop 11. That 11 will repeat and go and pick this 37 here and it will come. Alright, so here if you come here, this 79 will come, you see, then a number will drop 17. That 17 will repeat and go and pick this 79 in addition. So away from the 11 and away from the 17 is this number on top of 34 from 48 will give you this 11. Then the 11 will repeat and go and pick the 37 in addition. You see, so if you come here, this 41 on top of 34 from 58 is this 17 that came and repeated against the 79 here. You see, so if the 11 came and repeated against 37 the following week, you saw 1779 here. Then if 17 also came and repeated against 79 the following week, you take 1137. It's too direct, no joke about it. Let me go by it simply. 75 drop, the count is split into 41 35 here, 41 34 here, 81 split into 47 34, addition of 81. Counting with you met 37 here, then here you met 79. Alright, so exact counting is it is this 47 here from 58 that will give you 11. So that 11 drop repeats and go and pick up the 37 at the top. You see the 11, this 47 from 58 is this 11. It will drop and repeat and go and pick the 37 and it will drop. So if this 41 here also from 58 will give you 17, the 17 drop here repeated and went to pick this 79 and they all drop here, you see. So when they drop here, the first one, when 11 drop and repeated against 37, you saw 1779 here, 1779 here, which is these two numbers over here that came here after these two dropped. 1779 dropped. So if you come and see 1779 here, 1137 is clear to direct. It's as simple as that. Now you see this number 81, the one that splitted it to 10, you see, to machine. So bring itself the 81 here, the one that splitted into 47 34, the 81 is equal to 10 to machine. After that, bring the 81. So the number that splitted here was 75 into 41 34. addition 75. That 75 will split into 57. Therefore, bring the 75 in addition. It's 3 direct. So 11, 37, 75. 3 direct. If you like this number counterpart, so you can see this one counterpart. I am not going for the counterpart. You see, this one counterpart, but this one also can counterpart. So you can add it if you like. But the reason I am going for the turning is that I'm going for different 6, because the 41 here and the 47 are different 6. 11 and 17 different 6. So if you went in for the turning of this, it will be 81 and 17. That will give you a difference of what? 64. So if here you went for the 10, which is 75, against the 11, it will be different 64. That is why I'm going for the 10. So if you like, and your counterpart, it's your own good. All right. So let me go to the second plan. So that plan is my killer plan for the day. The second plan is, but this one to the 37 is 1 to 90. You see double 5 drop. Counting with your 90. So here double 5 drop. You see. This one double 5 drop. You saw 90. Counting is here. Another double 5 drop. Then 90 came again. 90 appeared again. So as that counting, this double 5 appeared here. This double 5 here came here. So here to this double 5 appeared here. So double 5 from here, double 5 from here. So as that counting is, you see 78 with 43. 78 with 43. So here you see 68 with 18. So 78 with 43, 68 with 18. Good. So exact quantum is this 90 will come. The 90 you saw here, that was with the double 5. This 90 will come here. You see, the 90 will come here. So here to, from here to here, the 90 came back. So this particular 90 at the top here is the 90 that came here. Like this one here moved here. So the other one at the top here, this here, will also come here. Good. So if that happens, 1, 2, 3, 26 will come under it, fall under it, the Dante exactly. I'll tell you why. And here too, 26 came here. I'll tell you why. What the 26 is doing over there later. Alright, but what I want you to understand is that this under the 90 and then in between the 90 and 26 is 68 here. Here it is 78. And I told you 68 drop with 18 here. Alright. And then 78 drop with 43 here. So the 68 and 78 interchange. So 68 came here, and then 78 also came here. 68 came here, 78 came here, in between the 1926, and then in between the 1926, 68 and 78 they interchange. Now when they interchange, look at what is happening. The parking here is addition 68. So the parking here today must be addition of what? 78. So how do you get the numbers? If you go and subtract this 43 here from this 43 from this double 5, this 43 from this double 5, you get 12. So that 12, if the first number here 23 plus double 3, it will give you 56. That 56 from this 68 over here is that 12. So the 12 became banker. So this 12 is the result of this 43 from this double 5, which is 12. So the two numbers that will pack at first bus, if you go and add a 12 to it, if you get a 68 in between the 1926, so the 12 became banker. If you come here, this is 18. So the 18 from the double 5 here, the 18 from the double 5 will give you 37. So that is 37. You are looking for three numbers packing addition 78. So look at this, 1, 2. You see 17, 24 will give you 41. So 41 plus the 37 will give you what? The 78. So the 18 here from the double 5 will give you 37. So the two numbers that will pack here, if you add the 37 to it, you should get this 78. So the 37 became banker. So 12 here, the 90 came. So 1290 drop as two show. So if here 3790 will be our two show. 3790 will be our two show. Good. So now I told you 90 and 26 addition 116. Here 90, 26 addition 116. So when double 5 drop here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you saw 85. The 85 from 116 is the 31 here before the 90 came. This double 5 drop, you come and see 85. 85 from 116 is the 31 here before this double 5 90 came. So if you come here, double 5 drop 1, 2, 3, 4, you saw 54. From 116 it's also 62. from 116, it's also 62. It is here. Before the 90 came at the top over here. You understand it? So if that is the case, if this and this addition of 116, that is why the 90 also came and went from 116 to give you 26. So if 54 and 62 are addition of 116, that is why the 90 moved to machine and went from 116 to give you 26. Therefore, the number that added to the 85 to give you 116 is 31. That number came. Before then, the difference was what? 88.57. That number difference will drop. Then the 31 came. So if that is the case, 62 should be our banker, because the 62 added to the 54 to give you addition of what? 116. Therefore, if 90 dropped and went from 116 to give you 26 over here, the 62 should come to the as 1 to 90. Before then, the difference is 1779, which is the difference of that 62. Therefore, we should add 62 to the numbers. Good to go. Thank you very much. Another wonderful opportunity again coming your way. This time my forecast for the day 37 is 1 to 90. It will not fail. 37 is 1 to 90 banker. Then too sure. I'm failing too sure. 1137. I'm failing too sure. 1137. Then three numbers 1137 75. 1137 75. Then the second plan 37 62 90. 37 62 90. That one to the too sure is what? 37 90. 37 90. Then if you combine the two plans, you get 5 numbers, because 37 becomes a common number. So 11 37 75 62 90. 11 37 75 62 90. Thank you very much for another wonderful session with you. God bless all of you. Stay strong. This is a platform you must be. You spend money here and get it back. God bless all of you. God bless you.